Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 Jaguar F-PACE 30T R Sport. This comes in a white exterior and has a really nice two-tone cranberry red and ebony interior. Panoramic sunroof up there. And blind spot assist. Jaguar F-PACE 30T all-wheel drive badging. Power open and close for the trunk here. There's the rear seats. Look at that sunroof. Driver's side controls. Driver's seat controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. This model has 51,307 for miles. And it does have a push button ignition. See our Jaguar shifter here. And does include navigation, radio, and a backup camera. And if you'd like to see any additional photos, get any more information at all, just check out our website, feldmannimports.com.